Greetings everybody, this is Arizona Og with Huntfish 4x4 out at Bartlett Lake, just outside of Scottsdale, Arizona. Bartlett Lake is special in the fact that it has held a few state records, be it flathead catfish over 70 pounds or 30-pound common carp. Needless to say, this is a big fish lake, and every time I make a trip out to the lake, it's in hopes of catching one of these monsters. I am sad to report that on this trip, I didn't get one, but I still managed to have a good time fishing and had a good safe trip in and out, and really, that's what it's all about. So in this video, I'd like to share with you some of the fun I did manage to get into. And with that being said, I hope you enjoy, and as always, thanks for watching.
Good fish. I'm on a good fish. I'm on a good fish, good fish, good fish. Swing them on the beach. Yes. Found the pattern. It's because they're biting the minnows right now. They're smashing minnows. I'm watching them come into the shallows all day, just smashing them. Nothing. I mean, there's big ones in there. This one's not that big. Big enough for that pole. Tell you what. Look, he got an ulcer or something on his tail. It's interesting. Healthy. Come on the board, dude. First, like, real actual fish. Catfishing hasn't turned out yet. Got a couple bites, but nothing crazy. Ooh. All right, brother. I gotta let him go because I'm sure I can get some more right now because they're just jumping. Ooh, that one's good. Well, better, I guess I should say. These are pretty small. I'm hoping to catch big fish today using like bait, like these guys. So I'm hoping they get bigger, because then my opportunity of catching bigger fish increase. Guess I'll get a quick view from camp. I'm trying to mess with it. I don't know what the whole ISO thing really means. Got the truck, got the forest behind me. Yeah, what a nice day. It's hot, but we knew that was gonna be that. Planning on going swimming. I'm gonna eat me a sandwich, do lunch, and then yeah, maybe do some fishing as it cools down. But for right now, I'm just chilling. Small one. Wow. Check that out. Wow, that's pretty cool. I knew there were tiny. Ooh, it got him through his eye. Dang, that sucks. Let me see, brother. Open your mouth. Oh. Slipped right out. That's cool. Ooh, but it went all the way. Oh. No, I'm tripping. Tiny little bass. What the heck? That's cool. Whew. It's not expecting that. It's been a slow night all night. Fighting like a carp, yeah. Where is Minette? She over here. Oh yeah. Get up. Oh yeah. Might be smaller. We use Zer's bite. Yeah, she's a small one. Yep. Pretty. First big Bartlett catch. She's not too huge. There we go. Sick. That quickly stuff turns around, right? So I'm not the only guy out here. There's a dude out there in case I gotta send the SOEs. So the thing says 5 pounds, but my net weighs 2. So he's a 3-pounder. We're gonna let this guy go. Usually I pick him up and show him through the camera and stuff, but Kelsey and I just washed my hands. I'm getting ready to go take a nap in my tent. So, I'm gonna see you. There he goes. Look at, there he goes. Gone. Carp biting right now. Again, I just finished washing my hands. Let it be a small one. Yeah. That's what I need. That's what I'm just gonna beach him right here. Get him up here, get him up here. Oh yeah. Getting smaller, and that's what I need. This might be the smoothest unhooking I've ever done.
Alright, open this and try to pull them out. Let's see. Got his head. There you go. Go be free, brother. That was a small fish, especially for this lake. Caught a bigger one, but that's it. 2 carp on the bait fishing, that's it. No cats. A little sad. I'm gonna cut these 2 little guys up for the bait pile later on. Right now it's I think nap time. I put the drag and whatever on that. I think I'm gonna turn in for an hour or 2 just to get some energy. And I think I'll wake up, maybe break down camp. I need to find a new spot, because if it's not happening, I gotta move. So bumper cart. All right, so I'm out here wading out in the water. Got my basket connected to me. Got the biggest bluegill I caught so far here. I'm in a nice beachy area. I think this is the ticket, and like I think they're just right out here. You know, so we know if they're here, the catfish are probably just a little bit out. So tonight, you know what I mean, fishing, I'm hoping. There's a lot of dens, dude. I had to run in with skunks. You could see big old dens everywhere. So, man, I hope I can get away from that. Oh, man.
Ooh, this one's taking drag. Ooh, these are big. Oh yeah. Trying to get away with catching them all on the same hook. Might have to go get the pliers. Ooh, it might be a little cat. I think it's a little cat. It's coming straight in. What do we got? Little cat. Yeah, baby. First Bartlett catfish. Hey, it counts, baby. It counts. Big old pot belly full of that. Look at that. Healthy little cat. Go on, baby. Let me get this hook out. All right, into the lake she go. Ooh. Ooh. I'll take it. At least I'm fishing. Well, you can't go this way. Let's go back this way. Well, all right, we're about there. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah, this angle's gonna be all funny. Yeah. Oh, he missed. There you go. Ah, yeah. Oh, nice little carp. If I was catching on live bait, I'd be keeping these sizes to fish, but I haven't even caught on a live bluegill, so we're gonna let them go. I just got a big old carp. See that? And he's putting on my rod. He's a big old carp. Ooh. Well, at the very least, we'll be doing this tonight. Hoping to get it. Biggest fish of the trip so far, 100%. Some of them at least on. Right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that kind of sucks that my GoPro keeps just turning off on me. I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, he's double digit. Looks like he should be. What is going on, brother? Yeah, he has so much fight in him. Oh, at the very least, look at the fish there. And I got a good catfish to play. Oh yeah, look at his head. Yeah, that's what I do. Double digit. Woo! I'm gonna get one more go on it. But it's not 10 pounds. Shows this is like a 9-pound fish, which I'll take. The thing's measured back too. It's giving me a funny scale. While reading, I mean. All right. I don't know how well this like. It's gonna work. I'm trying to do what I'm gonna do, but I just want to get a pit wall, like me in the shot with them. I don't know how that's not a 10-pound fish. He's huge. I don't know if I trust the old scale. I'm trying to get him out for the thing. But yeah, look at that. Big old fish. I don't know how. A pit wall, like me in the shot with them. I don't know how that's not a 10-pound fish. He's huge. I don't know if I trust Neil's scale. I'm trying to get him off of the thing. But yeah, look at that. Big old fish. I don't know how. I'm pretty sure that's a 10-pound fish, but we don't tell stories. And that thing says 9, so whatever. It's caught like a dog. All right.